Okay, so if you guys saw the last video, I broke the steering knuckle on this thing. If you didn't see it, go watch it. But I need to re-weld it. I'm gonna put some wheelie bars on this thing and we're gonna see if I can't break something again. Let's re-weld this, weld some wheelie bars on it, get on the road and see what happens. Let's get to it. Except our welds up from Dollar General to Payless, so now we're good. Okay, now we gotta try to see if it works. See, this was smoking last time. I don't know why it was smoking. Gonna let it percolate. Okay, while these charge, let's go find some metal for a wheelie bar. Probably ought to weld that. Looks like a wheelie bar to me. Let's figure this out. Remember kids, the most important part to a good weld is a clean weld. I need a flat piece of steel. BRB. Not flound, not flound. I'm dyslexic. Not flat, but round. In case y'all were wondering, this is the on-off switch for wheelies. Off. On. Pressure will be this one. I'd rather find that out now. That should hold, I hope. Only you can prevent forest fires. I'm scared. You'll do it. It felt like I was like this. I know it wasn't. Am I even close to him?
Not really. But I also don't want you to die.
Let me look at it. Okay, so I'm too scared to go all the way back. I got a little overzealous, put them a little high. So we're gonna lower them so I feel comfortable doing it. So let's get to it. I think my clutch is going out. Clutch is gone. It's too hot. Probably gonna have to let it cool down for a minute. Okay, well, yesterday, clutch quit working. Well, it didn't quit working, but it's like slipping a lot. So couldn't do wheelies anymore. So we're gonna try it today. It's cooled down overnight. If it don't work, we're gonna hook up some implements behind this thing, pull them around. So let's try it. Got too much gas in it. Beats it out of us. It worked though. I'm gonna do it again. Boosted, like Gabe said, scoliosis hurts. You need to push him, push him. First one was violent. It hurt so bad. The second one felt a lot better. First one felt like I was in prison. You know what I mean? The second one, they at least bought me a drink first. means the next likely candidate to happen is broken bone, death, fear, bodily harm. It's still here. No, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna try to hit that.
What?
There, see if I can ramp it. I'm gonna start off slow, just the tip, and we'll work on into the full thing. So much more. I know I'm like this far off the ground, but it feels I'm like this far off the ground and upside down all at the same time. That's so scary. Hood's like going higher than the whole thing is, but the mower's like. Weird. It's like the clutch on a motorcycle is not meant for doing wheelies and jumping out. It's weird. He's hot. Smoking hot. Dig this thing. So will do wheelies onto the bars. Hold on. We're done doing wheelies. Turn off the wheelie. Should have had that turned off for the jumps. But it will jump, probably higher, but my huevos are very small, so I cannot do it. Hope you enjoyed this. I don't know what else to do with this piece of crap, but we'll find something else to do it, so thanks for watching. Okay, so I forgot. I was back here taking pictures of these implements we need sold. I forgot we have a pull behind disc, which coincidentally has a hitch for a four-wheeler we used to pull with. That I don't think, apparently. For the next video, I'm going to try to pull this in Grandpa's garden with a mower. What do you guys think? Y'all see that? No? Yes? No? 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 Okay. See. I didn't have it on. I don't know what I want to say. Are you zoomed in? No.